Okay, hi guys. I'm going to show you Memorise Medicine's newest feature that will allow you to create cards within modules. So this will be a powerful new feature that you can find here under My Modules. You can click Add Modules. And then here we're just going to make a brand new module, and then we're going to add cards directly into it. So here we're going to make a module on ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors. And then I'm just going to start adding cards right into it. So first card, I've picked the default field of a medicine type card, but you can pick any of these types of fields. So here, the medicine will be ramipril. Notice how in the live preview, it shows you what it is. So class will be ACE inhibitors. Not spell inhibitors, right? Dose will be 1 daily. I believe it's 1.25 to 10 milligrams, but I'm just illustrating for you guys. We use it to treat hypertension. Dose indication, not really needed for this one. We'll remove it. Adverse effect, cough, hypokalemia, hypotension. Labels 11 and 16. Counseling point. You may be dizzy for the first week or two. Don't stand up too quickly. Monitoring, we can say potassium levels is probably a good idea. And then that's it. So we're going to create this card, and boom, it gets added right into our module. Now let's add another card into this. So here we're going to use our drug class default one. So here, ACE inhibitors. So there's our drug class. Inhibitors. Now medicines. So I'm going to use my memory palace. So for those who attended my How to Study Effectively, you'll know that I do a thing on how to remember all the ACE inhibitors. So we've got captopril, captopril, but then what we got? Fosinopril, then trandolapril, enalapril, like the princess, quinapril, ramipril, and then we got perindopril. So if you know, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, all 7 ACE inhibitors in Australia. Indications, hypertension. We'll just leave us that. So cough. And what did I say was the other one? Hyperkalemia, hypotension. Labels 11 and 16. Counseling and comparative. I'll just put counseling. So don't take potassium unless advised. Good. So I'll create this. Now we've got our ACE inhibitor card added in. Now, if you don't want to use my default ones, which is fine to do, we can use blank. So that's whatever you want. So here's my card heading. ACE inhibitors Q&A. So my first question, which ACE I'm just going to do ACI. Which ACE inhibitor is taken twice daily? Here. Then our answer would be, that's captopril, for those of you who don't know. Captopril. Now I'm going to add another question. Do ACE inhibitors cause a dry or productive cough? It will be dry. Dry cough. Okay, so then we're going to create that. Description, all about ACE inhibitors. Save. Cards for the day. So I've got 3 cards here. I want to see 3 cards. So I'm going to save that. Now this will be still under my modules. You should get loaded to the end. So ACE inhibitors, I'm going to cram it because I want to see all at once. So begin study. Oh yeah, so here we go. So this is my blank one. So which ACE inhibitor is taken twice a day? So I click to reveal, captopril. Do ACE inhibitors cause dry reproductive cough? They cause a dry cough. So remember, you always need to try to say the answer before you click reveal answer. It trains your brain to actively recall. So here's my drug class card. So medicines. So I won't do that, go through it all, but you can just click show all answers if you want to go quickly through it. Easy. Then here we go again. So ramipril. So what's the class? It's an ACE inhibitor, dose once daily, indication, hypertension, cough, labels, 1116. If you don't want to know what those are, you can click on that, and then that will appear here. So that pops up, counseling, monitoring points. Easy. So then that will pop up, and then we finish that module for the day. So a nice easy way to basically load cards into your own modules. If you want to find your cards, it's still under my modules, but then you can click here for my cards, and then you'll see all those here. So there are all the answers and stuff, and then you can go back in and edit them. Okay guys, I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.